The goddess Hathor's temple. The goddess Hathor's temple is situated to the south, left, of the Punt expedition colonnade. Its design is different from that of the god Anubis shrine, which is situated close to the colonnade of birth on the northern, right, side. The temple of the goddess Hathor is characterized by the delicate scenes and stunning colors, the majority of which depict the goddess Hathor as a cow with both Hatshepsut and Tuthmosis III. The temple is divided into two sections. The first is built up mostly, while the remaining portion is completely carved out of the rock. The facade of the first section features 4 columns and 2 halls. The head of Hathor, the goddess with the face of a woman and the horns of a cow, crowns the opposing sides of the 2 center columns. The first hall has 2 rows of columns with 4 16-sided columns surrounding the 2 columns with Hathoric capitals in the center of each row. The image of the cow Hathor licking the queen's hand, followed by the god Anubis and a scene of the cow Hathor nursing Queen Hatshepsut in her naos, is one of the most significant images of the first hall. It is engraved on the northern, right, wall. 2 small walls on the right and left divide the 2 halls, and a row of 4 16-sided columns stands between them. The second hall, which had 12 columns arranged in 2 rows, is reached after that. The scene that is engraved on the northern wall is among the most significant ones in the second hall. We find the Hathor procession, which consists of a number of boats with cabins and depicting scenes of soldiers from Libya, men, and dancers. In front of the goddess Hathor, there is a scene showing Thutmose III performing a ritual dance while holding a paddle. Additionally, we observe a scene of the queen who was eventually usurped by Thutmose III holding the paddle and rudder in front of the goddess Hathor on the western wall. This is on top of the classic scenes that show the queen in her different associations with the goddess.